All right, guys, let's see how you did. So cross multiply, you should have gotten 12x. And then 8 times 15 gives you a value of 120. Then your last step to get x by itself is to divide by 12 on both sides, and you should have gotten x equals 10. Number 8, cross multiply. So 51 times x is 51x. 17 times 63 gives you 1071. Then last step to get x by itself is to divide by 51 on both sides, and you would get a value of 21. Number 9, cross multiply. You should have gotten 28x equals 24 times 42 is 1008. And the last step is to divide by 28 on both sides, and you would get 36. All right, bottom 3, so 39 times x when you cross multiply is 39x. And then 13 times 42 is 546. Then divide by 39 on both sides, and you would get a value of 14. Number 11, so cross multiply. 1 times x is 1x, and then 16 times 7 gives you a value of 112. And we want to get x by itself, but remember from number 5 up here that 1x is just the same thing as x. So there's nothing to divide, because if you just divide by 1, you're still going to get that 112. So that means that this is our answer here. And then the very last one, number 12, cross multiply. So 43 times x is 43x. And 37 times 43 gives you a value of 1591. So then your last step is to divide by 43 on both sides, and you would get a value of 37. Which makes sense, right? Because if this is 43 over 43, that equals 1, which means that this needs to be 37 over 37, which that 2 would equal... Oh, wait, no, sorry, that's an 8. I can't tell now. I can't tell if that's an 8 or a 3. I think it was a 3, so when you divide those, that would equal 1, so then this 2 would also have to equal 1, okay? So that is how you solve proportions. Again, that first way, yes, it's easier, but that's only if you can quickly identify what you're multiplying to get your other value. So that's why I teach the cross products, because one, if you have bigger numbers, it's going to get harder to identify what that number is. And then two, sometimes you won't always get the nice numbers, because on your guys' homework, I believe there are some decimals. So this is why cross products is the best way to go with these type of questions, okay? So if you guys have any questions, please email me. I know that I am out today, but you guys can still email me, and I will be able to email you back, hopefully. And then you guys just start working on your homework for the rest of the class, and then make sure you guys bring back that homework on Monday, and then don't forget to Zoom chat with me as well tomorrow. Okay, so see you guys on Friday at Zoom, and then I'll see you guys on Monday in person.